Dear Dean Peter and Blackburn Cathedral, as you have not replied to our previous emails about ethical banking, I'm reading this email out loud in the cathedral. Christian Climate Action would like to urge you to drop NatWest Bank, a dirty bank which funds fossil fuels. There are a number of cathedrals that have already pledged to switch to one of the banks that does not fund fossil fuels. And we pray that Blackburn Cathedral is the next one to take this step. Banks have such a huge impact on the world around us by what they choose to fund. If we choose a bank which funds fossil fuels, we are choosing a world ravaged by climate change and all the suffering